Whether you're blasting off the water or rocketing down the runway, your airplane needs to get up and go. After all, it's your ultimate utility vehicle and passport to adventure. So load the bags, throttle up, and get underway. At Wipaire, our passion is in giving pilots the freedom to explore. So if you're a late model Cessna 182S or T, owner or pilot, we'd like to invite you to take another good look at your airplane and discover what it's like to fly like a boss. Say hello to the Boss 182 Performance Conversion from Wipaire. The Boss conversion transforms your stock Cessna 182S or T into the highest performing Skylane available, and it's the only late model engine conversion approved for floats. The Boss 182 conversion swaps your current 230 horsepower IO-580 engine for a 315 horsepower Lycoming IO-580 with an optional Lycon tuning service for up to 340 horsepower. Whether your passion is wheels or floats, the Boss 182 will feel like an entirely new airplane. With matched payloads, check out these actual takeoff comparisons between a stock 182 and the Boss 182, off the water and the runway. The results are stunning. This is real-world performance. You'll enjoy performance improvements the second you push the throttle up. That's shorter takeoff runs, faster cruise speeds, and increased rates of climb. And at gross weight, the float-equipped Boss 182 rockets off the water, outdoing stock climb performance by more than 40%. On wheels, climb rates can exceed 50% greater than stock. Nearly 1,300 foot-per-minute climbs off the water, 1,400 foot-per-minute climbs from the pavement. Remember, since the Boss conversion is based on the FAA Part 23 certified 182S and T, you'll also benefit from modern features like factory corrosion proofing, soundproofing, and upgraded interior appointments. Plus, your 182 will jump off the lake with the unmatched pull of the innovative Hartzell Trailblazer 3-bladed composite prop, a standard feature that's only available from Wipaire. The conversion also includes a high-flow tuned exhaust and a digital engine monitor as standard equipment. The standard Boss conversion includes a gross weight increase to 3,158 pounds on wheels to preserve every last ounce of that precious useful load. For Whipline float pilots, by taking advantage of the optional engineered gross weight increase to 3,370 or 3,500 pounds, you'll be able to carry more and still beat everyone off the water. On floats, Wipaire exclusive features like the extended chord rudder and ventral fin make this the best flying 182 conversion around. And don't worry about center of gravity issues that other 182 float planes experience. Wipaire has you covered with an engineered CG envelope expansion that makes carrying full tanks and 2 front seaters a non-issue. The Boss 182, whether on floats or wheels, is a true lake-to-lake, airport-to-airport utility machine. That's real performance for real-world flying. To push the Boss 182 conversion to the next level, consider any one of several configuration options, including popular options like our heavy-duty seaplane engine mount. And while you're here, take advantage of our world-class services from paint to avionics to interiors. When you need to get the most out of your Cessna 182, trust the company that's been optimizing airplanes for over 55 years. The team at Wipaire proudly designs, engineers, builds, and flies every product we make. The Boss 182 Performance Conversion by Wipaire is a product that you need to fly to believe. To schedule a Boss 182 demo or to request more information, visit wipaire.com or call to chat with a knowledgeable member of our sales team at 651-451-1205.